Hey, what is up guys, FZM here, welcome back. So, it's the final display comparison test between the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 versus Huawei Honor Note 10. So, to recap, you've seen the Ultra HD Aquarium test, and you've seen the 4K HDR RGB Color test, but now it's time for a real life example, a movie display comparison test. We all watch movie clips on our phones from time to time, so this is exactly what I'll be testing here. The phone with the best display for movies. Right, let's get straight to business and settle this. I've picked 3 incredible 4K movie clips and I'll leave it to my audience to watch, analyze and evaluate to determine which is the best smartphone for movies. Oh yeah, and before I quickly describe the display resolutions between the Note 9 and Note 10, go grab yourself some popcorn because this is going to be good. Okay, let's go. So let's get started. First off by saying both phones clearly have phenomenal displays. Okay, let's see what we're dealing with, and for anybody new here, I'll do a quick overview of the display specs. So, settings and display, and let's see what we've got. So, max brightness for both handsets. The Note 9's highest settings at WQHD Plus at 2960 by 1440, and for the Note 10, it's at Full HD Plus with a resolution of 2220 by 1080. I'm using the adaptive display for the Note 9, which from my everyday experience brings out the best quality. And video enhancer is on, which means we'll capture even further detailed as it's a fully optimized smartphone for YouTube. There is no other setting for the Note 10. For the Huawei Honor Note 10 we're looking at a 6.95 inch AMOLED display, and on the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 a 6.4 inch Super AMOLED display. Let's begin. So resolution quality 1440p for the Note 9, full brightness, and quality 1080p for the Note 10, full brightness, and 3, 2, 1, go!
Forefathers, let the dark magic flow through me one last time. That was a mistake. You're going to die for that.
My humble personage bows before.
There are 2 more stones on Earth. Find them, my children, and bring them to me on Titan.
Wow, it's so weird how you run into people at the airport. Don't you think that's weird?
Definitely weird.
Hear me out, Tony. That doctor, the psychiatrist, he's behind all of this.
Captain.
Your Highness.
Anyway, Ross gave me 36 hours to bring you in. That was 24 hours ago. Can you help a brother out?
You're after the wrong guy.
Your judgment is askew. Your old war buddy killed innocent people yesterday.
And there are 5 more super soldiers just like him. I can't let the doctor find him first, Tony. I can't.
Steve, you know what's about to happen. Do you really want to punch your way out of this one?
All right, I ran out of patience. On to ruse! Nice job, kid.
Thanks. Well, I could have stuck the landing a little better. It's just a new suit. Wait, it's nothing. Mr. Stark, it's perfect. Thank you.
Yeah, we don't really need to start a conversation.
Okay. Captain? Big fan of Spider-Man?
Yeah, we'll talk about it later. Just
Hey, everyone.
good job.
You've been busy.
And you've been a complete idiot. Dragging in Clint, rescuing Wanda from a place she doesn't even want to leave, a safe place. I'm trying to keep you from tearing the Avengers apart.
You did that when you signed.
All right, we're done. You're gonna turn Barnes over, you're gonna come with us. Now, because it's us. Or a squad of JSOC guys with no compunction about being impolite.
We found it. The Quinjet's in Hangar 5, North Runway.
All right, Lang.
Hey guys, something.
Oh, what the hell was that?
I believe this is yours, Captain America.
Oh, great. All right, there's 2 on the parking deck. One of them's Maximoff. I'm gonna grab her. Brody, you wanna take Cap?
Got 2 in the terminal, Wilson and Barnes.
Barnes is mine.
Let me just say, if aliens wind up implanting eggs in my chest or something and I eat one of you, I'm sorry.
I do not want another single pop culture reference out of you for the rest of the trip. You understand?
I'm trying to say that something is coming. Please don't put your eggs in me!
Stay down, clown. Die, blanket of death!
Everybody stay where you are. Chill the F out. I'm gonna ask you this one time. Where is Gamora?
Yeah, I'll do you one better. Who's Gamora?
I'll do you one better. Why is Gamora?
Tell me where the girl is, or I swear to you, I'm gonna French fry this little freak.
Let's do it. You shoot my guy and I'll blast him. Let's go.
Do it, Quill. I can take it.
No, he can't take it.
She's right, you can't.
Oh yeah, you don't want to tell me where she is? That's fine. I'll kill all 3 of you and I'll beat it out of Thanos myself. Starting with you.
Wait, what? Thanos? All right, let me ask you this one time. What master do you serve?
What master do I serve? What am I supposed to say, Jesus?
You're from Earth.
I'm not from Earth, I'm from Missouri.
Yeah, that's on Earth, dipshit. What are you hassling us for?
So you're not with Thanos?
With Thanos? No. I'm here to kill Thanos. He took my girl. Wait, who are you?
We're the Avengers, man.
You're the ones Thor told us about.
You know Thor.
Yeah. Tall guy, not that good looking, needed saving.
Where is he now?
Yeah, I know what you're thinking. Thumbs up for the Avengers. You know I had to do it. So let me hear your thoughts on this movie display test between 2 of the best devices I've ever tested here at my studio. Is your winner the stunning and simply excellent Samsung Galaxy Note 9 or the sublime and visually striking Huawei Honor Note 10? Out of the 2, which would you pick? And who do you think won the overall display quality test based on all 3 videos? Does YouTube's signature device, the Note 9, get your vote with its phenomenal 1440p Super AMOLED Infinity display? Or do you believe the Honor Note 10 with its sheer size creating that amazing visual experience? The Note 10 with its bezel-less design and full HD Plus display puts up a great contest against its name-like competitor, but there can only be one winner. There's a poll above on this video, so have your vote now. I can't wait to see your responses on this one, so drop me your comments below. I'll be checking them all out as usual, but more importantly guys, I'll be conducting this series again with all the latest smartphones around. Who's your winner so far? Note 9 or Note 10? Drop me your comments below, I'll be checking them all out as usual, and be sure to leave any suggestions. Thank you so much for watching and showing your support as usual. Keep it coming. Smash that thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel, and as always guys, hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload, and I'll catch you guys all